This 4-inch granite block. Are you watching this? Ain't no shade tree mechanic here. This thing's gonna be perfect, Haley. That's a 1/10 indicator. I'm sorry, a 1/2 thou indicator. Look at that. I don't even see anywhere that she's a full 1/2 thou. Watch here. I have it on there. Yeah, look at that. Around the cylinders, it's perfect. That thing is great. No way does it get better than that. Steinfab Garage, this is freaking awesome. I got this idea from you and that super cool cat.